a straight Trump. You guys, it's crazy. Oh man. Oh dude. What's BL3? I'm not sure what BL3 is, but dude, what's wrong with you? You're back. Doom Eternal as much as I can do. 16. Oh man, thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, this.
Hey bro, I got a camera. Hit me, I dare you. No. No.
Specific jobs,
right.
And so how they can transition to make solar panels, it's just so insulting. These people that hold these offices.
Year-olds their first job or whatever, get that first paycheck. They see how much money is taken from them. From their hard labor.
God damn it!
They look their finger, and then at the same time, on the
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Courtney Coleman. The 21-year-old Air National Guardsman accused of leaking top-secret intelligence documents
Yes, Bill. Bobby? What's wrong? What's wrong? You pushed my car, huh? Where were you? I saw you come out of nowhere. Okay. You are drunk? Did you? No. You are drunk? Are you sure? I hit you? Yeah. Several times. What do you mean several times?
Coming up the lane next to me, probably about a 94 heavy car. Oh, red light, I ain't gotta stop. Boy, that car would have did some damage.
Cows that were ugly and gaunt ate up the 7 sleek fat cows. Then Pharaoh cried, and he fell asleep again, and had a second dream. 7 heads reigned of the wood growing on a single stalk.